we're going to be cooking pasta dream camper style. Let's see the ingredients. Alright guys, let's see what we have to put. Let's see what ingredients we have to put in this pasta. So we have pasta, some mushrooms, some sausages, and cheese, and last but not least, some pasta sauce. Okay guys, let's put the pasta. Okay guys, I'm going to cut the mushrooms. Okay guys, I totally forgot some parsley, so I'm going to get some parsley. Guys, don't forget to get parsley when you're making this pasta. And now I'm going to be cutting the sausages. Okay guys, I cut all the main ingredients, and now we're going to cook the pasta dream camper style. Now let's cook it. Okay guys, I'm gonna add the oil. Okay guys, now the oil is getting ready. I'm gonna put the sausages in. We're gonna let it boil let it cook for a minute. We had too much oil. Did we? Remember guys, don't burn the sausage. Always keep an eye and mix it. It's getting really cooked. Now we have to add some mushrooms. Okay, time to add it. Okay guys, now let's keep it for 5 minutes to cook it. Okay guys, this is nearly done. But we want all our dream camper friends to try this meal at home, or make your own meal and send a picture of you making it. Okay guys, it looks like it's ready to add. It looks like it's nearly ready, so I think we should add the pasta. Maybe I should stir it a little bit. Okay, now let's put it. Oops. That was really dumb. But anyways, I'm gonna break this thing and cook it. Okay guys, so I put the pasta in. I think we should add the pasta sauce now. add the whole bottom, but you can add how much sauce you want it. Now because I add the sauce, I'm gonna stir it a little bit. Oops, I dropped one, but we will pick it up. Okay, guys, I mixed the pasta, and now we have only 4 ingredients. That is salt, chili flakes, parsley, and some cheese. But we add chili flakes because I think it will be yummy with it. So I'm gonna add all these ingredients. First, I think I'm gonna do some salt. So very carefully, you want to do 2 rounds, and then you want to add the whole. Actually, maybe we should do some cheese, maybe some chili flakes. I think it will be good. I'm going to dump it, and we should add some cheese. Cheese. Just gonna dump it. And last but not least, parsley. Oh, maybe first we should mix it. Isn't that a gorgeous? Now we made the pasta. I'm gonna try to see if it's actually really good. I think that should be enough. Let's see. Pasta. Oh wow, that's good to go. It might be really hot. Oh my gosh, this is the best thing I ever tasted before. If you enjoy watching this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment down below if you tried it, and tell me if it was good or bad. I think it will be good. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I'm going to enjoy eating this yummy pasta.